Hey everyone, it's the Amazing Staff Man. I know I've been MIA for a little bit, but I wanted to respond to a comment that was left asking how do I charge the power source. But I figured I'd take the time and show you how I charge all of my systems. So I'm gonna put the comment that was left, I'll put it right up here in this corner there. So I'm gonna point out my three systems here. Here's my power source, my Duracell Power Source 660 that I did the upgrade on with the 100 amp hour Redondo battery. I also have my ammo can battery box that I built. And then you have a forthcoming video of the upgrade I did on the Ryobi toolbox where I upgraded it from 100 amp hours to 300 amp hours. So if my camera person could come a little bit closer real quick. So with the power source, I have three different ways that I charge it. On the back side here, we got a spot for our 120. We have the post terminals for, like, for example, I can put the alligator clips on for the battery charger here, and then also solar. So just to demonstrate, I've already kind of brought out my extension cords. I don't have any outlets on the back side of my house here. So it's all pretty self-explanatory, but I'm going to go ahead and just do it anyway. So we're going to plug this in here. Plug in there. And if you get in close here, camera person, you see the light blinking right there. That means we're charging. So that's one way to charge this power source. So I'm gonna go ahead and unplug. Camera person, you can back up for me, please. So the next way I'll show you, I'll get the battery charger. And I'll show you how I charge it that way. Please forgive me, I'm getting over being under the weather. So we'll turn this back around here. Go ahead and unscrew the positive post, negative post. Let's go ahead and plug in. All right. And better, camera person, if you come in a little bit closer real quick. Battery charger is already set to lithium, and it's kind of bright, but if you can see there, it is charging. So that's one way. That's another way that we could charge the power source here. Go ahead and plug that, attach the alligator clips, secure the terminals. All right, another way, and camera person, swing around this way here for me. I have two of my 100 amp hour solar panels. I do have the Anderson connectors as part of these solar panels. So I'll go ahead and plug these in. Actually, I gotta switch them around because the power source is switched up from how I have it on the toolbox. All right, positive, negative. Camera person, come around here for me, please. That's gonna get plugged in right here. And camera person, if you can come zoom in here, we got blinking green light. That means we got solar power coming in. It should say it on the display here. We'll turn it on to verify that we have solar coming in. All right. So that's for the power source. Moving on down the line, let me unplug the solar panels from this system. We're gonna slide this one over. Next one is going to be the ammo can battery box that I built. I charge this 2 different ways. On the back side here, I have the port inlet for my portable solar panel. This is a 30 watt foldable solar panel. So what I'll do is I'll usually just set that out wherever I'm at, and I'll plug that in here, and we got juice coming in. All right. Option number 2. This will go back to the battery charger. If I'm like at home, I'll just attach the battery clips, to each terminal. It's not actually plugged in right now. I'm just showing it for the video. And I will charge it this way as well. This is if I'm at home. The solar panel is if I'm on the go. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll leave it sitting on my dash, like I'm at work or something, and I'll charge it during the day while I'm at work. Third application is going to be the Ryobi toolbox. Switch these around again. Now, the cool thing about this is that this will plug in on the back side here. But that's not the cool thing. The cool thing is I have a Victron solar charge controller via Bluetooth that I can see the actual state of the amount of solar that's coming in real time, and actually keeps a track, so I can see the history of like how well the solar panels are producing. So the camera person come around here. So we got the solar plugged in. Be a quick sneak peek here. We're going to turn the power on. So this is a sneak peek for those that were waiting for the upgrade. As you can see, the 3 batteries, but that video will be produced very shortly. All right, camera person, go ahead and take a step back and zoom in right here to see the input of the solar that's coming in. So we have looks like 4.2 amps coming in, 65 watts. I do have these solar panels in series versus parallel, so I got 24 watts of power that's going to be generating solar going into this system. So that's the solar portion of this system. The other option is I plug in the solar charger, the battery charger into the system, and it can charge it that way. So those are the ways that I charge these systems, whether I'm on the go or if I'm at home. So that's how I do it. That's how to answer that question. So if you have any follow-up questions, please drop them in the comment section below here, and I'll see you in the next video.